Call is wide. Oppo money. Rover, you're misaligned. You should be already over there in trips. We recognize it late. This can't keep happening, especially with something as simple as a trips in this play here. Wide bowed or wide money, wide bow money. Right, we got to be able to. I know he pushed off, but we got to be able to be stronger, be able to challenge and drive on the ball. We set him up for a first down here, or it becomes a first down play here. Smash money. We got to make tackles. Okay, got to make tackles. Our read blocks comes vertical. It's better from this angle here. Read comes vertical. We go vertical. Meet him in the hole. Meet him in the hole. So we're dancing around. We miss tackle there. Put our head down. Miss tackle there. All right. No good. Bow money again. This angle's better. Rover got to make Rover in the corner. Okay, one of you guys need to make the play here. All right. You come across downhill. You're too deep. You should be at linebacker depth. Rover, corner, and you should go fill right now. 2 missed tackles again. Mike Otto. It's not a bad play here. Good position, both corners. Safety, you're doing good. Fill in the box, Rover. Not a bad play there. Boom, money. Once again, you could be a little, like I said, you could be to the ball a little faster, a little too deep, Rover, especially when you're playing man on the sniffer. All right, so we can get tighter into the box, so we can probably get on that play. And if it does break, then we're in a better position to make a play. All right, this is Buck Auto. All right, we're on the wrong side. Okay, Buck Auto, you should be over here. Buck Auto. You don't have this guy man to man. Okay, so it's Buck Auto. If he comes out, if anything, you have this back. He's number 2. If this back came out, would have been nobody on him. All right, so you will be over here. The Mike has the first back coming his way. Okay, so Auto is not even if you call man or money because the buck is going, you will have money on this guy, not this guy. So misaligned. It's a good play here by you, Sam. You have 45 coming across. Recognize the QB kept it, tracked him down. Nice play by you. That was Joe last time. I said Sam a couple plays ago. My fault. That was Joe. Excuse me. This plays Sam. All right. So good job, Sam, coming down and filling this. Now you can play this tighter. All right. Especially if you have a sniffer. So you could be down in here. All right. This is a money call. All right. So like anything else, the corners here. Yeah, you're reading the sniffer here. Play the sniffer right from in here. Okay. And then if he comes up this way, you're in a better position. You tackle this maybe for a loss if you are a little tighter. All right, we got Otto, Buck, Pie money call here. Recognize that this play more than anything else is a good job just rallying to the football. We're in position, we gotta make plays. That's just bottom line. There's no other thing I can say about this. You're in perfect position here. All right, and for some reason at the last moment, you decide to turn into him instead of just going up and making this play. Like Coach Poole said and Coach Green said, you make this play all the time in practice. You can't just not make plays in big moments. 88-yard touchdown. Boom heat. It's a great job, Joe. Using your hands, get rid of somebody. Now just finish this by wrapping up and driving him out of bounds. All right, you have a habit of just kind of reaching out and pushing people. Wrap him up and take him and punish him and land on top of him. All right, don't give them a chance to stretch out for this play. He doesn't get it. We get off the field. 4 plays and out. That's good, but just be more aggressive. But overall, your rip, you sling them across, okay? Push pull. It's a great job. So Auto Buck. This would be an opportunity, Carter, to call Robber here, because you're going to put the corner man anyway. Just play Robber, and you can play a little tighter because you have the sniffer here, and better position to make a play faster if it's a run, which in this case it is a run. Not a bad play, Joe here. Okay, but once again, you can be a little tighter. You can basically, you can almost just replace the Buck in this particular call. That's how close I want your line of scrimmage. So then you make that play maybe here instead of here. Okay. Be careful, Sam. When we bump it, your guy becomes a sniffer. I know you're not looking at it. Your eyes are looking, somewhere over here. I'm not sure where you're looking at. All right, so the sniffer goes this way, then you should be going back this way as well. Okay. So make sure you're aware of that. Don't bump too far over. We see the wrap up here. Okay, smash switch. I gotta get off blocks. Blackwell did a good job last time. I'll get rid of this guy. Can't fall asleep. All right. You know you have this guy man to man. You get your eyes caught in the backfield. We lose eye discipline. He run right past us. Scores a touchdown. All right. So, Coach Poole probably will say that later, but the black jerseys, no one has the black jerseys this week. Well, I'm not sure when in the week you'll get them. Maybe you'll get them sometime during the week. But every position's up for grabs. Danny Kern's going to get reps at Rover. Dixon Nolan still get reps at free and specifically free and stay at free. So limit your thinking. And then we have four corners with Jaleel, Mac, Nick, and Hallam. And so you guys would be competing for two spots this week. So only because I think, I'm not saying all of you, some of you, I think, believe that you have nobody behind you. So you don't have to work as hard in practice. And that has to stop. Okay. I think that's trickling over into the game. That lack of push in practice. So that's that on that note. The question, which I have to think of it right now, because I have to think about it before, the question to answer to verify you watch the film will be thought of it. So tell me who or which school did Troy Polamalu play for when he went to college? So what was the college that Troy Polamalu played for? That's the question for this week. Need to answer by Sunday at 9 p.m. And let's try to get better this week. Sprayberry's no joke. They're going to challenge us open field tackling. They're going to challenge us cover wise. They're going to challenge us getting off blocks. We have to be ready to go. And we're playing at Sprayberry. So we got to come with it. All right. See you guys on Monday.